Welcome back to the Automotive YouTube channel. Today we have clips from Iracing. Enjoy. I need to serve a black flag, so.
Car outside. Clear outside.
Oh, I just sent it into the pit wall. Oh, I rolled it in the pits. I rolled it.
Nice.
I'm upside down.
Number 3, I'm on your inside. Slow car down low.
Just don't know how to work
Slow
with
car
their
ahead.
spotter.
Go low. Go high.
Hey Scott, where are you running at?
Car inside.
I don't know what's more dangerous, inside or out. What? What was that?
Car start 14. Car. Car stopped up high. Car stopped up high. Go low. Go low. Go low. Go low. Go low.
Thanks a lot, last 4.
I'm letting this 5 guy go by. He's all over the track.
Get up top 3 wide.
Really, guys? Come on.
Clear all around.
I just two-wheeled that.
Good job, man. You're in first. Inside. Clear low. Clear low.
Whoa, number 3.
Oh, he flipped it.
Slow car up high. Outside. You're clear high. Clear high. You got one inside. Clear low. Clear low. You got
Well,
one
that's not
inside. All clear. All clear. You got one inside. Clear. All clear. Have a slow car on the bottom. Car stopped ahead. Alright, man, we got one stopped up ahead. Car stopped ahead. You got one inside.
My
Clear
bad.
low,
I was
clear
looking
low.
at a B.
Go high.
Jesus criminy.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, crashing left and right. Hate to see it. Look out! I'm on fire, baby Jesus, I'm on fire.
Yeah, I'm done.
Who caused that mess?